I have always used styrofoam heads for styling. I haven't gotten around to getting an actual cork and canvas wig head, you know, that has a mount at the bottom. I really like the styrofoam heads because they're cheap and they have distinguishable facial traits that allows me to pin the pieces on and look at them. I know where the nose is, I know where the chin is, I can just pin it and see what it'll look like in general, even though it doesn't resemble my face. I have noticed that the head is a bit smaller than my own, and it's a different shape than my own, so the pieces sit differently on it, but you get a very general idea of what it will be like just by putting on this. I would strongly advise against fitting your pieces to fit a styrofoam head exactly because you know, it's not your head. It's alright if the beard line goes up the side of the head a bit more on the model, or that the pieces look a bit bigger. Again, this won't match your face exactly. Nobody really looks like this. I mean, you know. If you need to adjust your pieces, whether that be shortening the strap that goes over your head, trimming the wig edge so it contours with your face more, or removing the strap and trimming the beard's sideburns so they end where you'd like them, get all your measurements by using yourself as a model before making of those permanent snips. I would, you know, hold it up, mark it, and then, you know, do what you need to.